Hey, what's good everybody? Welcome back to our YouTube channel mahagurus.com. So in this tutorial we would learn how can we filter the datas in Microsoft Excel. So I would suggest you guys to please follow each and every steps as I say. So without wasting any time, let's get started. So guys, here I'm having the project where the list of colleges here and the fee structure, the seats as per the branches and the total seats and the counseling dates. So to filter, first you have to have a header on your project. Like here I'm having this one, and after selecting you have to select the header, and after selecting just go to home, and in this editing group click on sort and filter, and here you will see the filter. Just click on that. After clicking guys, as you can see, all the cell in this header will contain the small arrow, and whenever you apply the filter, this will convert into like this type of, get it, this filter symbol. So I will just clear the filter. Now how can you use it? Suppose you want a list of college which are only IITs, like here it's IIT, and you want to remove it. What we would do is we just click on here and just deselect all these stuffs and just select IIT and press OK. So guys, here you have the list of college which are only IITs. Similarly, what we can do is we can just use the number filters. How can we use it? Just click here, and here you have lots of options like equal to, equals to, like I'm writing here just 60 and enter. So here you have the symbol of filter and the list of only college having 60 numbers of seats. Similarly, what else we can do is we will do does not equals to, this time again 60 and enter. So here the list of college which don't have the college of 60 numbers of seat. Get it guys? Now here similarly we have the lots of options like greater than or equal to. Here you have to apply the two numbers, like less than. In less than you have to write what the number, like I'm writing here 60 and enter. So guys, we applied here, and this no row contains the number less than 60. Like I'm just you can clear the filter from here, clear filter from CSE, the name of your header, and clear. After clearing that, this filters symbol will be removed and you're done. Similarly guys, you have a special filter somewhere, like if you want to filter like dates especially. So what we will do is we just select the dates, and here you have the filter option. Select on that and date filters and select whatever date you want, like tomorrow, today, yesterday, next week, this week, last week. I'm selecting tomorrow, and the tomorrow date as per my PC is here 16 September. Similarly, you can enter whatever you want, like I'm entering today, so today is 15 September. Similarly, we can enter the sort by color. So we don't have any color, so this won't sort by color, and we can sort from oldest to newest. Like I'm selecting sort from oldest, so the oldest is September 2019, and here the newest is September 2619. Get it guys? And similarly we can just sort from newest to oldest, so the newest 26 and the oldest is, so the same techniques, the same filter can be applied to any of the cell. Get it? So that's all for today. Thank you guys.
If you really like the content, then please like the video and click subscribe to see more videos like this. And don't forget to share this video with others. You can find the link to complete basics to advanced Excel tutorial in the description below, or you can visit mahagurus.com to see lots of other software courses. Thank you.